Ladies and gentlemen, today we have this beautiful 2008 Nissan NP300 hard body available with a cattle rail and a rubberizing. It comes with the original steel rims, new tires, and the body is looking great with no problems at all. On the inside you can see this bakkie was well looked after. Looks like it was never used before. With the aircon 5-speed manual, the seats looks brand new. And this beautiful 2008 Nissan NP300 with a 2-liter petrol engine, with a cattle rail and a rubberizing, with a 236,700 kilometers on the clock, is going on the floor at the price of 169,900 rand, and this is only available at Kimberley Bakkie Center.